Hi, I'm Sarah Smith with eTherapy, sharing our teletherapy activity of the week. Every week, we'll share helpful online games, teletherapy tips, and resources to help you be the best e-therapist you can be. Today, I want to show you this really cool create your own Jeopardy game site. This is from Jeopardy Labs, and you can go there and search Jeopardy style games that have already been created. So I can put in a keyword here, such as synonyms, if I'm wanting to address the concept of synonyms with my online student. And you can see what pops up and use an existing game here if you find what you're looking for. Or you can click to create your own game, and you can create a password and select Quick Build to make the game for free. Then you'll see the game is completely customizable. You can add a title and you can even put category names at the top of each column if you would like. I'm going to start building a game to address multiple meaning words, but of course you could use this to target a wide range of concepts. You simply click on the block and enter the question and the answer. You can phrase it like a real Jeopardy game with the answer being in the form of what is a, or you can leave that part out and keep it a little simpler. It's up to you. Then you can continue on and fill up the board with all of your content. I have completed a portion of this board just as an example, and you don't have to fill in every box. You can fill out the entire board, or you could just use a portion of it if you want to keep your game a little smaller. If you need to edit one of the blocks, you can just click and make your changes there. Once you're finished, you can select Save. Then you can copy the URL link in the address bar and save it for yourself to access later. You can also click to download and save that for later use, or you can start playing right here from this screen. To play, select the number of teams, which is really like the number of players. So if I'm doing a one-on-one session, I might select 2 teams. Then I can play against my student. Or I could have 2 or 3 students play against each other if I'm working with a small group of students. Click Start and the game will begin. If you're playing with your student, for example, you could allow him or her to click on the block they want to try, or they could tell you which block to click on and you can select it. Then read the question and give them a chance to answer. Reveal the correct response, and if they have the answer correct, you can give them their points down below. You can adapt this for your students to fit their particular level and needs. If you're an OT, you might even use this to target fine motor skills for written language and require the student to write their answers. PTs could enter a description of a type of exercise or yoga move in the question box and then require the student to demo that move to earn points. It's really adaptable to suit your particular needs, and this can be a lot of fun. So be sure to check out jeopardylabs.com. This activity fun tip is brought to you by eTherapy, a teletherapy company leading the way for therapists.